If you track sleep, stress, steps, or mood even once a day, AI is already shaping your health decisions. Today, we're breaking down AI tools that actually track your health daily. What works, what doesn't, and what people don't tell you. This is ByteSized Future. Health tracking used to be about hitting numbers, steps, calories, hours slept. But once you start stacking days, patterns start showing up, and that's where AI takes over. The real value isn't today's data. It's what your body keeps repeating without you noticing. That's why tools like Fitbit still dominate the space. Fitbit tracks heart rate, sleep stages, activity, stress, and recovery, then uses machine learning to turn weeks and months of data into trends you can't see on your own. It's especially good at consistency, showing you when your habits are quietly improving or slowly breaking down. Where it falls short is personalization without context. It won't diagnose anything, and deeper insights live behind Fitbit Premium. Most reviews are positive because it's easy and motivating, but longtime users complain that useful features keep drifting behind paywalls. Once people realize sleep and recovery matter more than raw movement, they usually graduate to something like Oura Ring. Instead of focusing on how much you move, Oura focuses on how well your body recovers. Its AI tracks heart rate variability, body temperature trends, and sleep depth to catch burnout and illness early. It's incredible at insight, but it doesn't care about real-time workouts or detailed fitness stats. It's paid hardware plus a subscription, and reviews are extremely strong for sleep accuracy, with cost being the most common complaint. That shift toward recovery naturally leads to Whoop, which takes the idea even further. Whoop doesn't track steps, time, or notifications. It tracks strain, recovery, and readiness. Its AI continuously analyzes cardiovascular data to tell you when to push and when to back off. This makes it powerful for athletes and high performers, but less appealing for casual users. It's subscription only, and reviews praise the recovery insights while criticizing the price and narrow focus. If this is your kind of content, subscribe to ByteSized Future. We focus on AI tools that actually change how you live, not hype. Once wearables show you patterns, the next question becomes, what if you didn't need a wearable at all? That's where ByteSized feels almost futuristic. Instead of straps or rings, it uses your phone camera and AI to estimate heart rate, breathing, and stress by analyzing tiny changes in facial blood flow. It's designed for quick health snapshots, not constant monitoring. It can't replace sensors or medical devices, but it removes friction completely. It's free for demos with paid plans for full access. Reviews love the accessibility and tech, while critics usually expect medical-grade accuracy, which isn't the point. If ByteSized gives you snapshots, Welltory tries to explain why those snapshots look the way they do. Welltory focuses on stress, energy, and nervous system balance using AI-driven heart rate variability analysis. It connects wearable data with mood, habits, and lifestyle inputs to show how daily life affects your body. It's powerful if you like deep data, but overwhelming if you want simple answers. It's freemium, and reviews split cleanly between people who love the depth and people who feel buried in metrics. If this breakdown is helping you think differently about health tracking, hit like. It helps the right people find this. That's where MyFitnessPal still earns its spot. Its AI analyzes food logs, calorie intake, and macro trends over time, making it excellent for awareness and consistency. It's not a medical nutritionist and doesn't personalize beyond patterns, but it's incredibly effective at showing habits you underestimate. It's freemium, with premium unlocking better insights. Reviews stay positive thanks to its massive food database, though ads and paywalls frustrate longtime users. When something feels off beyond food, decision-making becomes a problem, and that's where Ada Health fits. Ada is an AI symptom checker that asks intelligent follow-up questions and narrows possible causes. It's not a tracker, but it helps users decide whether something is minor or worth attention. It can't diagnose or prescribe, but it reduces uncertainty. It's free, and reviews praise its clarity while warning against overuse and health anxiety. At the extreme end of daily health tracking is metabolic insight, and that's where Levels lives. Levels combines continuous glucose monitors with AI to show how food, sleep, and stress affect blood sugar in real time. It's incredibly precise and eye-opening, but not cheap or simple. It's paid and requires CGM hardware. Reviews from biohackers and high performers are glowing, while casual users point out the cost barrier. AI health tracking isn't about perfection. It's about awareness and better decisions over time. Use the data, don't let it control you. This is ByteSized Future, where the future meets real life.